This is so good. This is my favorite drink. It's chai tea and almond milk. I want to talk about this expression called weekend warrior. And I want to know if you think of yourself as a weekend warrior, and if you do, what does that mean for you? In my parents' generation, when we talked about, or I should say when they talked about a weekend warrior, they were deriding someone who worked all week long, 9-to-5 job or maybe longer, and then they'd go out on the weekend and they'd play a round of golf, or they'd play tennis, or they'd go try and run, a 5K race or something like that. And it was just on the weekend, and that's all they did. And they were kind of laughed at. It's like, oh yeah, these people are trying to stay in shape, but they only do it on the weekends, so they're not very serious. That was a weekend warrior. Now, when we talk about weekend warrior, it means something totally different. It means somebody who comes in and works on the weekend. Like not only do they work all week long, but they're a weekend warrior, which means that they come back in again and they do some more work. and this is kind of a badge of honor. My question is, do you see yourself as a weekend warrior? And which kind of weekend warrior are you? I just find it's fascinating and interesting how our language changes and evolves over a generation, and it takes on a whole new meaning. And I'm just curious, like, have you even heard this term weekend warrior? And if so, which weekend warrior did you think it meant? That's my thought for today. And I know that when I come into Work Bar here on a Saturday, and there's just like 2 or 3 other people here, basically the comment is, oh look, it's the weekend warriors. That's what I have for you today. See you in the next video.